Hey, what's up, Inca 4x4 here, and make sure to check out my website, inca4x4.com, for bags, rooftop tents, trailers, overland tours. But this bag right here, works with a tire, oversized tire, a ladder, or even a tailgate. So the cool thing is you can keep the latch there, take the bag, attach it to a tailgate. You can drop your tailgate down. You have access to it. So it's got multiple features. To keep up with the bag, you can use something like these products here found at like a Walmart. This is a silicone water guard. It's got multiple applications. Kiwi also makes the Camp Dry. If you want to go really like pro with it, you can get beeswax melted down with I'm gonna link a video of some people how they do this, but you can treat canvas and make it or keep it waterproof. So thank you for purchasing. $10 does go to a Veterans Go Outdoors nonprofit if you purchase through Instagram, Facebook, my website. Just not eBay or Etsy. They take like too much of the cut. And yeah, I'll see you on the trails. Again, check out my website, inca4x4.com. Rooftop tents, trailer, aluminum trailer builds, tours here in North Georgia, and the Inca bag. Hey, what's up guys, Inca 4x4 here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to strap your new Inca bag to either the tailgate of a vehicle, the tire, or even a ladder. And so this is the Inca bag. It comes with two straps, and basically it's got loops around the whole bag where you can use clips to fasten it to any of these three applications. You even have clips on the front to mount little koozies, quick accessories, and it's got like a Velcro section to where you can add patches. And so the bag comes with two straps, and both the straps have a clip that clips down. And the main thing to this is on a tailgate is wherever the strap is going to be facing or heading towards, like in this instance, it's going to be heading towards the inside of the truck. You want to make sure that the strap part comes or fastens down the same direction. So you wouldn't put it this way, because when you run the loop through it and then run it down, it's going to unbuckle it. So the main thing is always have this fastened towards where the strap is ultimately going to head down towards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this through the tailgate here, just kind of cinch up everything towards the end, and do the same with the other one. And then you're going to lift your tailgate a little bit at an angle just to kind of create an opening for this to pass through. Same thing with the other one, just like a pass through. Now, when you're on this side, you want to be careful with your hands because you don't want to get your hands pinched, so that they're facing towards the truck. And this will probably be about 12 inches apart, 12, 13 inches apart. And then you're going to pass the loop through. But yeah, I really like these bags. I've done cleanups. I really like that people are using them and cleaning up with them. And I do donate $10 to Veterans Go Outdoors. So if you purchase from my website or Instagram or Facebook, if it's through the Etsy site or eBay, they just take too much of a fee for me to do that. If it's really tight, you can take a flat screwdriver and just push it through. So you're gonna pass this through. And just like that. And then they're both set. So the bag comes with these clips here, these carabinos, and one pro tip that makes it easier is if you have like a key ring, you can loop it around here, and then that way when you attach it, it's just easier to clip on. So this is not included, but I'm pretty sure everyone's got one at their house. So you don't necessarily need this to attach it, but I think it just makes it that much easier. And yeah, there you go. You can attach it, and then it comes with 4 of them. So what you want to do is definitely attach it at 2 more points. But I'm gonna move this camera back a little bit to show you what is at least on a truck, what's one of the cool benefits is if I drop this tailgate, now I have a really cool trash bin, or just really anything you want to put in there. You know, you can easily cook up here, do whatever it is, you know, camp requires, and you got this like just set up there. And if it was fastened to here, then it would just be like hanging over. So now I'm going to show you how the straps are going to work with the tire, and also a ladder for like a vehicle. Gobi ladders are pretty common, but yeah, I'm going to show you how this is going to strap onto here. Is again with the strap needs to go in the direction that this faces. So alright, so for the second strap for the wheel, this has multiple ways you can do it. The best way I found, in order for it to not move around and to kind of be in there firm, is if the buckle part is actually facing towards the vehicle. So what you're going to do is grab the strap, pass it through the wheel. And you might need baby hands for this. You might, the baby is not included with this. So children will not be included in the box. But yeah, you'll pass it through. And so you'll pass it through like this, and basically you want the buckle to sit on top of the tire. So I'm going to pull the camera to show you that. The buckle is on the top of the tire, and that's going to keep it from kind of spinning around there. So let's get back into focus. Now that that's strapped there, you'll pass the loop again through there. So now you have 2 points right there, here and here. Now what you can do is put your clips back in. And now you can clip your bag, and there you go. So there's 2 ways, and again, you want to make sure you clip this at a second point. So there's straps all around the whole side, and you just want to strap it, and that way, with the buckles on top, it's not going to spin around. So the key ring is not necessary, but it just it helps. And the cool thing about this bag is, you're gonna put trash in it, and you're probably gonna put a liner, like a trash bag, in it because you don't want all the stuff to spill in it. But it's just so much easier to get somewhere and want to dump this trash out like this, as opposed to having to undo the strap all the time. And sometimes people got sticky fingers and they want to steal things, and you may get to a place where you're like, hey, I want to put this inside the back of my truck because I don't want anyone to steal this. So multiple purposes, lots of utility features. This one, like I said, my buddy took out to Colorado and put it through the test.